Hey everybody, it's Laura with Jot and Tittle Typewriters, and I hope you're doing great today. And I just want to touch base with everybody and want to just say thank you for following us this year. Thanks to all of our subscribers to our channel. It's very exciting and we're so glad to have you following us. So it's just fun to interact with some of you and kind of meet you online. Anyway, we just wanted to say thank you. We appreciate you. And then also, we hope you are going to enjoy a good Thanksgiving with your family, that you can set aside everything and just enjoy the company of each other or your friends and just reflect on all the blessings that are in your life. Also, if you're not part of our email list, we don't email out very often, but every once in a while we do. I'm trying to be a little bit better about that. Anyway, if you sign up to join our email list between now and Thanksgiving, then I will, I have a special discount for our email subscribers. Our current ones already got it. So if you subscribe to our email, I will forward you that special that is for our email subscribers only. And it's actually a really good special, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to subscribe and then I'll forward that on to you. So the link is below. Yes. And for you to subscribe to our email. Thank you for being a subscriber to our YouTube channel. And you all have a blessed day and happy Thanksgiving.